Hello there. Welcome back to our YouTube channel for another new topic. Today we will discuss about how a genetic study conducted by the University of Cambridge reveals hidden chapter in human evolution. A groundbreaking genetic study by researchers at the University of Cambridge has unveiled a previously unknown chapter in human evolution. Contrary to the widely held belief that modern humans evolved from a single ancestral lineage, the new research suggests that Homo sapiens descended from at least two distinct ancestral populations that initially diverged before later merging back together. This discovery challenges the conventional understanding of human origins and adds new complexity to the evolutionary story of our species. Using advanced genomic analysis based on full genome sequences, the researchers have found compelling evidence that modern humans are the result of a genetic mixing event between two ancient human populations. These groups initially split apart approximately 1.5 million years ago and remained separate for an extended period, evolving independently. However, around 300,000 years ago, these groups reconnected, leading to a significant exchange of genetic material. One of these groups contributed 80% of the genetic makeup of present-day humans, while the other contributed 20%. For the last 2 decades, scientists have widely accepted that Homo sapiens first appeared in Africa between 200,000 and 300,000 years ago, originating from a single continuous lineage. However, these latest findings, published in the journal Nature Genetics, suggest that our evolutionary history is far more complex than previously thought. A more complex evolutionary history. The question of where we come from has fascinated humans for centuries, said Dr. Trevor Cousins, the study's first author from Cambridge's Department of Genetics. For a long time, the prevailing assumption has been that modern humans emerged from a single, uninterrupted ancestral lineage. However, the precise details of our origins have remained unclear. According to Professor Richard Durbin, a co-author of the study, our research provides clear genetic evidence that our species' evolutionary path was not straightforward. Instead of a continuous lineage, we now see that early human populations evolved separately for over 1 million years before coming back together to form what we now recognize as modern humans. The study further supports the idea that human evolution involved multiple episodes of population divergence and interbreeding, a process that significantly shaped our genetic identity long before the migrations that spread humans across the world. Beyond Neanderthals and Denisovans, an earlier genetic mixing event. Previously, genetic studies had already confirmed that Neanderthals and Denisovans, two extinct relatives of modern humans, interbred with Homo sapiens approximately 50,000 years ago. These interactions contributed a small percentage of DNA to the genomes of modern non-African populations. However, the newly discovered mixing event occurred much earlier, around 300,000 years ago, and played a far more substantial role in shaping the genetic makeup of all present-day humans. Unlike Neanderthal DNA, which accounts for roughly 2% of the genome of non-African modern humans, this newly discovered ancient genetic mixing event contributed up to 10 times that amount, making it a fundamental component of the DNA of all humans today. New computational methods uncover hidden ancestors. One of the most remarkable aspects of the study is the innovative method the researchers used to uncover this genetic history. Instead of relying on ancient fossilized bones for DNA extraction, the team analyzed modern human DNA to infer the presence of previously unknown ancestral populations. This approach allowed them to identify genetic lineages that may have otherwise left no physical trace in the fossil record. The data for this research came from the 1000 Genomes Project, a large-scale global initiative that sequenced DNA from diverse populations across Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas. By analyzing this extensive dataset, The researchers were able to detect genetic signals pointing to the existence of the two ancient populations that contributed to modern humans. To conduct their analysis, the team developed a computational algorithm called COBRA, computational Bayesian reconstruction of ancestral admixture. This algorithm models how ancient human populations split apart and later merged back together over time. After successfully testing COBRA using simulated genetic data, the researchers applied it to the real human genome data from the 1000 Genomes Project, leading to these groundbreaking findings. Implications for human evolutionary research. Beyond identifying these two ancestral populations, the study also revealed intriguing changes that occurred after their initial split. As these groups evolved separately for over 1 million years, they likely developed unique genetic traits and adaptations before their eventual reunion. The reintegration of these lineages may have contributed to key characteristics that define modern humans today. These findings raise new questions about the nature of human evolution and highlight the importance of genetic diversity in shaping the development of our species. The study underscores that human origins are not as linear as once believed, but are instead characterized by complex interbreeding events and evolutionary branching. Conclusion: a new perspective on human origins. This research opens up exciting new possibilities for further exploration into human evolutionary history. By challenging the idea of a single, uninterrupted lineage, it presents a more dynamic and interconnected picture of how modern humans came to be. Future studies using advanced genetic analysis and computational modeling may uncover even more hidden chapters in our evolutionary past. As scientists continue to delve into our ancestry, this study serves as a reminder that human evolution is a rich and intricate process shaped by multiple influences across time. The story of our origins is far from complete, and with ongoing advancements in genetic research, we may continue to discover surprising insights about where we truly come from. Visit and subscribe to our channel for more such videos in future.